How are we all doing? I hope you're all keeping well out there. So it's that time of year again, it's Christmas once more, and I want to wish everyone out there a very happy Christmas. I haven't been doing a whole lot in the workshop this week. I've just been busy getting ready for the festivities with the good lady, and I probably won't do a whole lot out here next week either. But just to take a minute to review the whole thing, where we are. I think last Christmas I had somewhere around 200 subscribers. Obviously this Christmas I've quite a few more, and the thing is growing well. And the more it grows, the more you know, well, it's amazing anyone wants to watch this in the first place, but it's great that you do. And going forward into the new year now, hopefully I'll get a few projects finished off. Want to finish off the dual standard Pi, get him boxed up. I might put the black box amplifier into it and that big speaker. I'm thinking about that. I think it would be a mad thing to do, but it should sound good. And the big cabinet helps. What else do I need to do? I need to get back to that Siemens television. It's sitting behind the camera with the half frame output stage working. So I need to get to that. We also have the G8 down there, which to be honest, I'm quite inclined to put me boot through the G8, but we might get back up on the bench too. I'll have to go out there at some stage, but it's safe for now. As I say, the tube is destined for greater things. I've quite a few Bosch AA23s to get round to. I've got 3 of them here at the minute. A 20 inch, a 22 inch and a 26 inch. So I want to get them going as well. I have the 20 inch one that I showed you a while ago. I have that in the house at the minute beside the Hitachi. It's crap. You know, I need to set up the decoder on it. So I'm going to make up extension leads to run the panel outside the television. But actually I might show you the Hitachi. I might bring the camera in and show you the Hitachi and the Bosch together, side by side. I'm afraid the Hitachi blows it out of the water. Then on the radio front, we've a lot of radios here to work on too. I just have the 309R here on the bench at the minute. But I was recently given, maybe 6 months ago, Trio TS510 transceiver, which I want to get that going. It's working, but there was mice living in it, and I think there's leakage issues on the printed circuit board, so I'd like to get that going and get it up on the air. It's a nice rig, so that will be another one to get going. Actually, I'll bring the camera around here and I'll show you a few of the things that we have. So that's the 9R. I did a video on that a while ago. I haven't done any more with it. I just decided to stick it on the bench and give it a little run there. It's working reasonably, and that's a nice trio amplifier. I think it's a 15 or a 20 watt per channel job. Early 70s. The air mech, I'll put him back. I got sick of looking at him. That there is a Swan transceiver. I need to get that going. The driver tube is red plating in it for some reason, so we need to sort him out. There's me nice speakers. As you can see, the place is a bit of a mess. This is the transceiver, the trio transceiver. So yeah, there was mice living in him. So I think there's leakage issues with the circuit board. This is a nice Acke amplifier. It needs a dial card doing on it. There's only one channel working on it. And the sad thing about it is, the fella that gave it to me, he wanted, I had a teak box around it, and he wanted that for something, and then he was throwing this in the bin. So we have no box for it. But it's a nice amplifier, so I'm gonna get it going. So you might have a bit of crack troubleshooting the amplifier in it. That's the Cosser radio I did a while ago. That was the one that was completely rotten. The little Sony TV. Picked this up the other day, little Roberts 757. It's working quite nicely. That's the naughty G8. What else have I got here? I've got a Thorn 1615, which is in really bad nick. It got smashed into a skip. Don't think I'll get him going. That's the big Telefunken. We had that going a while ago, and the NASA Futura down there. Nice television. That's the one with the dodgy tube in it. A nice old Philips transistor radio there, sort of mid 60s effort. And of course the Murphy Richards iron, reliving my youth with that. I think I told you before, one of my first jobs was changing the flexes on this. Back when I was about 7 or 8, another Roberts radio there. And I have a couple of these Selena Vegas. They're a really good radio. The little Hitachi 14-inch black and white, that's a nice set too. And that's the Bush BS35. And then we have the little Decca Gypsy 12-inch set. And that's my beautiful signal generator. I'm very fond of that. That's a really well built bit of kit. That's the A774. The less said about them, the better. The old Autovox. I need to get back to him too. We did a tripler issue with him, and I stuck a tripler in, but the focus isn't great. And then we have the Eddystone corner, and a couple more of the Soviet radios. This is the export one, the Astra or Riga, and this is a VEF 201. That's for the home market. Would have been sold in a home in Russia. A couple of Eddystones, 750s. Then I have the big one there. What was that? A 9 something. And a 740 there. Like the 740. 740 is a lovely general coverage receiver. And the little 830 there. They were the cabin receivers on ships. There's nothing special about them. They're just a 4+1 super het radio. There's 5-valve job. And the little Philips DX. These are the last portables, mono portables made by Philips, and they have an excellent picture on them, really good. This is the little Pi radio. I think I did this a while ago. I changed the caps on this. Let's see, is he still working? The little switch is worn out, unfortunately. So it's a medium wave and then a preset for the light program on long wave. I did try tuning it up for RTA on long wave, but it detuned on medium wave. Then it must have pulled the circuit off too far. It goes deaf then. So he's only for radio 4. So that's pretty much it. Little thyristor tester. Need to see if I can get that going. I'll use that to test the thyristors in the Siemens television. A few books here. Like me books. Plenty of crap. Plenty of rubbish. The all Advance 63A. Nice job that. And I've one Icon IC735. And the Yaesu FT480. President Lincoln. That's the Panasonic radio I did a little while ago. Me Kenwood or 600. They're real nice. Triple conversion. General coverage receiver. And the old Eddystone. He's on there. That's pretty much it. Loads of rubbish too. I need to tidy the place up a little bit, but that's me old Guinness sign. I'm quite fond of that. A couple of clocks for good measure. Another one there. One there. Battery must be on on him, he's out quite a bit. So that's pretty much it. Loads of rubbish under here, a few CB radios and stuff that I got out with skip, believe it or not. Power supply, the HP power supply, which was working, I got it going and then it blew up again. So I haven't been brave enough to go at it again. Well, sort of half tempted to throw it in the bin, to be honest. That's pretty much it. Oh, the little Panasonic TV, I actually picked up a second one of these recently. It's down there. A great little TV for the workshop. Doesn't take up much space. And the old NAD 7030. It's a nice job, that. So that's it. Look at some of the rubbish around the place. We'll get going on it in the new year. Yeah. Things are starting to calm down a bit, so we should have more time going forward, so it'll be good. Anyway, I'll leave it at that. Leave yous and love yous. Thank you everyone for subscribing to me and sticking with me over the last year. I hope that my little videos have given you a little bit of entertainment when you're locked up in your houses or whatever. And hopefully coming into the new year things will be a bit better, a bit brighter. Long evenings will be coming back in soon. There'll be a stretch in the evenings again. It's a bit depressing when it's so dark so early. It's dark about 4:30 here. So there's lots to look forward to. And a bit of normalisation will come back in. Thanks again everyone. A very happy Christmas to you all. Stay safe, mind yourselves, and I'll catch you in the next one. Good luck for now. Bye bye.